Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the lowercase d from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing a vertical line at the top here. And then a longer line to the right. Now let's close off the top with a curve. Next, from the bottom of the left line, let's curve it out to the left and back in. And then let's close off the bottom corner with a small curve. And that's it for the shape of the letter D. Now let's add the face next. Let's start inside and let's draw the first eye with a rounded rectangle shape here. Now let's draw the other eye behind it on the top left. And then let's erase the overlapping line inside. Next, inside each eye towards the bottom, let's draw a line across. And then above it, a rounded rectangle shape for the pupils. And then let's color both of these in black. Next, let's hop down and draw the mouth. Underneath the left eye, let's draw a curve down. Then bring it in. Curve it down again. And back out. Now let's erase that overlapping line inside the top of the mouth. And lastly, let's add one line inside the mouth for the teeth. And that's it for the lowercase letter D. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!